Let me ask you something hard. If you keep living exactly the way that you are right now, where do you honestly see your health in 5 to 10 years? Are you still walking? Are you still working? Are you still traveling on your own? Or are you sitting in a doctor's office being told you've got diabetes, cancer, or that it's time to talk surgeries, maybe even facing losing a leg like my own family members did? I have watched diabetes and chronic disease steal people's lives inch by inch. First, it's I'm just tired. Then it's a little weight gain, a new blood pressure pill, a borderline A1C, and then one day it's ulcers, amputations, or a cancer diagnosis that feels like it came out of nowhere. It doesn't happen overnight. It's a slow decline. And the scariest part, most people know something is wrong, but they stay stuck in the same habits, the same normal labs, and the same 10-minute doctor visits, hoping it'll somehow get better on its own. It does not have to end that way. You are not powerless, and you do not have to wait until your body is screaming to do something different. I'm Dr. Cindy Ross. I'm a functional medicine doctor and a cancer specialist, and I created a 12-month doctor-led wellness mentorship called Stop the Slow Decline for people who are done pretending everything is fine. In this mentorship, we'll spend a full year stabilizing your blood sugar, calming inflammation, balancing hormones, healing your gut, and rebuilding your strength so you can stay independent, active, and be present with the people you love. Here's what that actually looks like. For the first 3 months, we're going to dig deep. A 90-minute intake, full review of your current labs, and a customized nutrition, supplement, and lifestyle plan. We will meet regularly so that you're never guessing what to do next. In month 4, we stop the trial and error. I'm going to use advanced testing, organic acids test, and IgG food sensitivity panels to see what's really going on with your gut, mitochondria, and hidden food triggers so we can make precise changes and not just throwing spaghetti at the wall. From months 4 through 12, we keep working together with ongoing one-on-one visits, accountability, check-ins, and updates to your plan as your body heals. You also will get simple guides, checklists, and access to live Q&A so you're supported the entire way. Because here's the truth. Ignoring your symptoms is also a choice. Every month you wait, your body is either moving towards disease or towards healing. It's your choice. Imagine looking back a year from now, stronger, clearer, and more in control. Instead of sitting at another doctor's office being told there is nothing we can do until it gets worse. I'm sure you've been told that before. If you hear this and you know that you're on the slow decline, this mentorship is your wake-up call. Click the link below, apply for my 12-month program, and let's see if we're a good fit. Don't wait for the crisis. Let's stop the slow decline now.